Welcome to the ShipRush Integration add-on from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, the smart solution to simplify your shipping operations directly from your ERP. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete setup and configuration so you can start shipping efficiently with ShipRush. To begin, head over to AppSource, where you can find the ShipRush Integration add-on. From here, you can download the app directly. Since I've already installed it, we can see it listed in the Extensions section of Business Central. Next, we'll move on to the full setup of the ShipRush integration. We start with the Setup Guide page, where all the necessary information is displayed. If you don't already have a ShipRush account, you can create one directly using the provided link. Additionally, the page includes the privacy policies and terms of service for both Dynasol Technologies and ShipRush, which you can review before proceeding. For further assistance, users also have access to smooth promo guides and complete video tutorials to help navigate the setup process. The next step is to acquire and verify your Dynasol license. Once your license is confirmed and validated, you can proceed to connect your ShipRush account. You'll see key license information displayed, including license status, such as trial, active, license key is shown, and similarly we can see the expiration date as 1/21/2026, and for assistance we have the support email as well, such as shown here. You'll also receive an email with renewal details before the license expires. After license verification, the next step is to confirm your ShipRush account details. Simply enter the required information, including your default carrier and default carrier service, and then click Next to connect your ShipRush account to Business Central. With the license validated and your ShipRush account connected, you've successfully completed the first step of the integration setup. Your environment is now ready for configuring carriers, shipping services, and starting your first shipments directly from Business Central. Now let's move on to the ShipRush configuration page, where all shipping-related settings are managed centrally. The first action available on this page is ShipRush Carriers. Clicking this opens a dedicated table where we can manage all shipping carriers. Using the New option, we can add a new carrier, for example FedEx, and mark its status as active. Existing carriers can also be edited at any time to update their names or status. This allows full control over which carriers are available for shipping operations. Next, we have the Carrier Service action. This page allows us to define shipping services for a specific carrier. For example, after selecting the FedEx carrier we added earlier, we can create multiple services such as Standard, Express, or Overnight. Each service can be activated or deactivated using the status field, ensuring that only valid and approved services are available during shipment creation. Once carrier and service setup is completed, the system is ready for shipment processing. The next action is Default Carriers. When this action is used, the system loads the predefined default carriers and carrier services provided by ShipRush. Any carriers or services that already exist remain unchanged, while any missing default carriers or services are automatically added. This ensures the configuration stays complete without overriding custom entries. The configuration page also includes a licensing configuration section, which controls access and validation for the integration. This section displays important licensing information as discussed earlier in the guide page, such as license validity, status license type, for example, trial license expiration, warning date license expiration date registered support, email unique license, key system messages related to license status. License validation ensures uninterrupted functionality, access to updates, and eligibility for technical support. In the General section, users can control how freight and shipments are handled within Business Central. The Charge Customer Freight option determines whether shipping costs are passed on to the customer. The Freight GL account number defines the general ledger account used for posting freight charges, ensuring accurate financial tracking. The Delete ShipRush Shipment alongside Sales Order option controls whether linked ShipRush shipments are automatically removed when a sales order is deleted, helping maintain clean and consistent data. Finally, the Carrier Configuration section allows users to define default shipping behavior. Here, we can select the default carrier and default carrier service from drop-down lists. These drop-downs only display carriers and services that were previously configured and marked as active. This ensures consistency across sales orders and simplifies shipment creation by automatically pre-selecting the preferred carrier and service. With carriers, services, licensing, and general settings configured, the ShipRush integration is now fully prepared for seamless shipment creation directly from sales orders in Business Central. Now that configuration is complete, we move to the sales order, where ShipRush enables clear and controlled shipment tracking directly within Business Central. The sales order page is extended in two key areas: sales lines and shipping and billing. In the shipping and billing section, we first see the ShipRush shipment option. If this is set to no, we can enable ShipRush shipping by selecting the required field below. We start by choosing the shipping agent from the available list, followed by the shipping agent service. If a required carrier or service is not available, it can be added directly from the full ShipRush carrier and service list, ensuring flexibility without leaving the sales order. Once the agent and agent service are selected, these values are automatically populated in the sales line section as well. This ensures consistency across the document and guarantees that shipment data remains aligned between order headers and line items. At the top of the sales order, two ShipRush-related actions are available: create ShipRush shipment and ShipRush shipment. If the shipment is being created for the first time, selecting Create ShipRush Shipment opens the ShipRush Packages and Parcels page, where shipment packages are generated. If a shipment already exists, the ShipRush Shipment action opens the existing shipment record instead. From here, users can view and manage all previously created packages and parcels associated with the sales order. On the ShipRush Packages and Parcels page, users can see a complete list of shipment packages, including their current status. This provides full visibility into the shipping lifecycle, from creation through fulfillment. Here we can see the complete shipping details page, which serves as the central control point for managing ShipRush shipments in Business Central. At the top of the page, 4 key actions are available: ship, post-shipment package, post-invoice, and print packing list. These actions guide the shipment through its full life cycle, from preparation to financial posting. The system automatically pre-fills all relevant order detail from the sales order to ensure accuracy and eliminate manual entry. This includes package type, sales order document number, for example, 101084, customer number, and customer name, quantity, quantity to ship, and quantity shipped. Once the shipment is successfully processed through ShipRush, the system assigns a ShipRush package along with a tracking number, enabling real-time shipment tracking. The posted sales shipment number is generated when the post-shipment package action is performed, and the posted sales invoice number is created once the post-invoice action is completed. These fields become active only after the shipment is successfully shipped through ShipRush. Before shipping, users must provide accurate shipping dimensions, which are essential for carrier rate calculation and compliance. The required fields include weight, width, height, length. We will add the values to these. These values ensure correct carrier selection and precise freight cost calculation. The shipping details section consolidates all shipment-related information in one place. It displays declared values that gives the value of the shipment item, such that how much it costs ship, rush freight / shipping cost gives the amount of freight been charged to the customer for the shipping status, such as ship later or shipped, shows the current status of shipment, selected carrier, and carrier service, as we discussed earlier. This section provides a clear snapshot of the shipment's current state before and after shipping. Below this, the package line section automatically retrieves data from the sales order and is non-editable to preserve data integrity. It includes sales line number, item description, quantity, quantity to ship, quantity shipped, freight, shipment status. The shipping address section is populated directly from the sales order. It contains ship to details, company name and contact person address, and address to city, state, zip code, and country. If any information is missing, users can complete it here before proceeding with shipment creation. Once all required details are filled in, selecting Ship opens the ShipRush platform in a new window. All shipment data is automatically transferred and pre-filled from Business Central, allowing users to simply review and confirm the shipment. After shipping is completed in ShipRush and the user returns to Business Central, the ShipRush package and tracking number are automatically populated. Finally, using the remaining actions, post-shipment package updates inventory and shipment records. Post-invoice generates the sales invoice with applicable freight charges. Print packing list provides shipment documentation for warehouse operations. Together, these steps complete the full shipment and financial workflow. This end-to-end process demonstrates how the ShipRush integration enables users to manage shipping, tracking, and posting seamlessly within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.